Welcome to Ani Life Science YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about what are the points to remember in chapter 1, the living world. The full information about the living world is in my channel. I mentioned the video link in description. Please go through it. Let's break down this information in a simple way. Living things include microorganisms, plants, and animals. If something has life, we call it as living. Life itself is a complex process that works through chemical reactions and shows certain unique characteristics. Living organism shows features like growing, reproducing, and having metabolism. Metabolism means chemical activities inside their body, then being made of cells and being able to sense their surroundings. Living organisms can replicate themselves, evolve, regulate their own systems, and respond to changes in the environment. However, it's important to note that while growth and reproduction are characteristics of life, they are not defining ones. The key features that truly define life are metabolism and cellular organization. Next is biodiversity. Biodiversity refers to the variety of all microorganisms, plants, and animals on Earth. To make sense of this enormous variety, scientists classify living organisms into groups. This helps us name, remember, study, and understand them more easily. Carl Hulse introduced a system in 1990 called the three domains of life, which include archaea, bacteria, and eukarya. We have six kingdoms: archaebacteria under archaea, eubacteria under bacteria, and then protista, fungi, plantae, and animalia. These are all comes under eubacteria. Next is taxonomy. Taxonomy is a science of identifying, naming, and classifying organisms. Systematics. Systematics, on the other hand, is about grouping organisms based on their diversity and relationships. This idea of systematics was developed by Carolus Linnaeus, who also wrote a famous book called Systema Nature. When we talk about species, we mean a group of organisms that can breed with one another to produce fertile offsprings. Mayer gave us this definition known as biological concepts of species. Each group or level in the classification system is called taxon. The system follows a specific order: kingdom, phylum or division, then followed by class, order, family, genus, and species. Next is binomial nomenclature. The scientific naming of organisms, called binomial nomenclature, was also introduced by Linnaeus. It gives each organism two Latin names. The first name is the genus and start with a capital letter, while the second name is the species and written in a lowercase. The names are italicized when printed and underlined when handwritten. For example, humans are called Homo sapiens and mangoes are Mangifera indica. To make study taxonomy easier, there are several tools called taxonomical aids. Museums in Schools and colleges preserves skeletons, stuffed animals, and other specimens for study. Zoological parks like National Zoological Park in Delhi keep wild animals in protected environments. Herbarium. Herbaria are collections of dried, pressed plant specimens stored on sheets for future reference. Next is botanical garden. Botanical garden like Indian Botanical Garden, Howrah, maintain collection of living plants for study. Another tool called key helps identifying plants and animals by comparing their similarities and differences. A key consists of pair of statements called couplets, and each statement in a pair is called lead. Flora lists plant species found in a specific area. Manuals helps identify the names of species in a particular region, while monographs provide detailed information about one specific group or taxon. If video is helpful for you, just click the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.